Hi guys, and welcome to Car Story, and Car Story is where we give you the real car stories. Now, apart from only creating content on cars, we also show you where to take your cars when you need to repair them. And one of the best garage in Nairobi that you find in Nairobi is Performance Arts Auto Garage. Now, I can give a testimony of this garage. This is where I've repaired my car since I bought it, and I have never had a problem with it. Now, just want us to check what we have in the garage so that you'll make your own decisions and your own judgments whether this is the right garage to bring your car or not. Just come with me. So if you see what we have inside here, you can see we have the brands of cars like the Volkswagen, we have Audi. This is Audi Q7. If you are an Audi person, you are definitely sorted out. We have the Japanese brands, the Toyota. The Toyota is the dominant Japanese brand in Kenya. The other brands are trying to compete and they are doing quite well, but truth be told, the Toyota is the dominant Japanese brand, and you can be sorted right here. We also have another Volkswagen. This is a Volkswagen Touareg, and it is being worked on. As you can see, there are stuff on the engine as the guys are working on it. And you can see we also have another Audi. This is supposed to be Audi Q7. Someone is working on it also. And I can bet you that this is one of the best garages that you find in Nairobi. You know, one of the things that will make your car to have problems or you have issues with your car is when you take them to the wrong garage. And I am urging you, just come here and have your car sorted out. So we are going to have an interview with the director for him to give us more information about the garage. Just come. It's a great privilege to be here today, and we are coming to just have a chat with you to know how you do your business and how long have you been in operation, and so many other questions that you'll be able to tackle in the course of this interview. And first of all, we would want to know, how did you start and when did you start?
Okay. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. My name is Faisal Adam, Director at Performance Arts Auto Center. We have been in operation since 2016, and this is the first location, and we've been here since. And we specialize with German vehicles, European vehicles, and Japanese mostly. And we believe in honesty, pocket-friendly prices, and we give warranty on our work. Mostly we focus on body work. That has been a major part of our business, but nonetheless we do engine overhauls, we do major and minor services, we do computerized diagnosis. We have all the equipment, the machinery, and everything that you need to diagnose a car perfectly.
So kindly tell us what normally happens when someone brings their car to your garage.
The first person who welcomes the client is the guard. After that, the supervisor takes over. He books in the car, checks through with the client all the valuables that are in the car, all the issues the car has, marks down everything, any dents, any cracks in the windscreen, any check engine lights, whatever is there, valuable, spare wheel, jack, everything that is client's belongings. We either give them to the client to go back with, or we keep them safely with us in the office for the client.
And where do you normally get your parts? You talked about original parts.
Yes. It all depends on the customer. Original parts are quite pricey, so depending on the customer's budget, we order genuine. We have our supplier who gives us genuine parts, and if we need to order substandard parts or a bit of cheaper ones, even that is available.
You talked of dealing with German, European, and Japanese cars.
Yes.
Between those brands, Which brand would you say that your garage is really qualified in? Like you know, this one is what I can give 150%.
If you go for brands, I would go for Mercedes, I would go for the Toyotas, and also the VW group. We have a specialist, in-house specialist, who just deals with the VW group of cars. As you can see, we have quite a few that we're working on at the moment.
Great. In a scenario where you have crisis or you have a misunderstanding with a client, what do you do?
Crises and misunderstandings are always to be sorted out between me and the rest. I get involved personally, and if there's any part that we have made a mistake, we will rectify it from our end. And relationships are there to be kept well. We just don't end a relationship over a small issue. So we try our best to make both parties happy.
And what is the hardest challenge that you ever faced from when you started the garage? May it be business, work related?
City council. Those are our biggest challenges, because they always want to be given something, and we have everything in order, our licenses, our certificates, but still they like to harass people. So we are friendly with them at times, but at times they go overboard, and those are the guys who pester us the most. Otherwise we're okay.
Nice. You can have a parting shot with your audience and tell them maybe where you're located, your physical location, so that they can bring their cars for repairs.
We are located in Parklands, Limuru Road, inside City Park Estate, gate number 32, which is a very friendly location and secure. And in fact, all the cars here, the whole premises is under CCTV surveillance. So, and we have guard dogs at night, so you don't have to be worried about your car being tampered with by anyone once the business is closed.
And that's it for today. Thank you so much for continued support. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you for watching our content. And until next time, bye-bye.